Hi there. Well, it's been a little more than 24 hours and our egg has been in the vinegar. Well, what do you notice right away about it? Remember yesterday it had bubbles all over it and it kind of sunk to the bottom. Write down your observations. Now I'm going to dump out the water and I'm going to measure it like I did yesterday, and then I'm going to cover it in corn syrup. Okay, so just a second. Okay, so I dumped out the vinegar and I got the egg out, and you'll notice it's kind of squishy now. And it was a brown egg with a hard shell on it, and now it doesn't have the hard shell on it anymore. So I'm going to determine the mass with the scale. Let me slide my camera into view here. Again, because the egg will roll off of the scale, I'm going to use the cup to measure it in. Yesterday, I think it was 58 grams. So today, what are we getting? Ooh, significantly bigger. Looks like 72.6 grams. 72.6 grams. Okay. So now I'm going to use the tape measure to measure the long circumference and the short circumference again. And I'll show you those with the can too. So long circumference. Looks like about 16.5 centimeters. Short circumference looks like 15.3 centimeters. 15.3 centimeters. Okay, got a little bigger. Okay. Now I'm going to cover this in corn syrup. You can do some observations of that, and then I'll set it aside for another 24 hours. Corn syrup is the second thing we subject this to. Same egg. Put it in the corn syrup. In the vinegar yesterday, the egg sunk, but in the corn syrup, it looks like the egg floats. Some air bubbles in there, but the egg itself is not bubbling. All right, let me cover this up, and then see you in another 24 hours to measure again. So make sure you mark down the date. Today's date is day 2, and take the measurements and type them into your Google Doc. All right, good luck.